Let me introduce the difference between brick-and-mortar learning and online learning. While online learning has physical limitations, such as the size of a classroom and the number of desks, there is no physical limitation in online learning. While an instructor in brick-and-mortar learning cannot usually have more than 200 students in one classroom, an instructor in online learning can have more than 1 million students for one lecture. Therefore, the biggest difference between two systems is their scalability. Between brick-and-mortar learning and online learning is their communication systems. While brick-and-mortar learning use face-to-face interactions between instructors and students, online learning uses online discussion forum for discussion. Let me introduce the limitation of brick-and-mortar learning. Because brick-and-mortar learning uses face-to-face interactions, communications significantly decrease as the number of students in a classroom increase. For example, if there is only one student in the classroom, an instructor and a student can communicate during the whole lecture. However, if there are 100 students in the classroom, it is not easy to expect active communications between an instructor and students. On the other hand, because online learning uses online discussion forums for communications, communications between the instructor and the student do not decrease as the number of online students increases. In addition, if the number of online students increase, the instructor can get feedback and monitor what students are interested in a large number of postings and comments written in online discussion forums. Course topics that are provided by instructors and topics that students are actually interested in can be different. In online learning, the instructor can monitor what students are actually interested in through online discussion forums. Monitoring and measuring this difference are important because students can learn better when there is low difference between course topics and topics that students are interested in. To discover the difference between topics that are provided by instructors and topics that the students are actually interested in, D.A.T.A. is a mathematical model that provides topic distributions from each document. For example, we can see that there are 4 different topics in this example. The first topic is related to genetics, and the third topic is related to a brain. Based on topic distributions from D.A.T.A., we can quantify the difference between course topics and topics that the students are actually interested in through cosine dissimilarities. Please find the full text if you are interested in this research.